Tobiko, Fying fish roll, Tartar sauce, Wasabi, Parsley, cooked egg, cooked shrimp. This is a pre-cooked egg. I already cooked, so let's break that egg. This is a large egg, by the way. Okay, so let's cut it. There's some garnish with some parsley.
I'm Giovanna. Art connects you and me. My video is about art, tech, design, music, food, and green. If you like my video, share and like with your friends and family. Share and like with your love.